This is honestly like a moment that I am going to be speaking about for so many days to come. I'm super excited about this. I think I'm going to run short of words and be like so nervous because we've watched him, we've seen him, we've admired him, we've all loved him so much, and he's going to be joining us. All of you do stay tuned because it's going to be so worth it. Hello, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Very good, sir. And I'm just having like a major fangirl moment. Like, I know my job is to speak, but I think I'm gonna be in loss of words because that's how big a fan, not just me, but I'm sure everybody who's watching is of you. How are you feeling today, sir?
Yeah, great. Excited. Nominated. I was waiting for the result.
Nominated though is out of the question. I think if you do a film, then you just are going to be nominated. It goes without saying.
So what normally happens is, nice nominees are there and good actors are there with me, competing with me, but still, one has to win. So fingers crossed, waiting, but it's a very interesting film, and for the first time I've done a comedy role.
Yeah.
So Happy New Year, Anta. So at the same time, Panagabarana's debut film. So I should thank him, and I am grateful to him for thinking me for this role. And we have another interesting and exciting character here. He is like my son. Because my son is also, now he started with one film called Prema Kavali, where he has one debut as an actor, Filmfare and all the awards. And today, this guy is taking a debut. So I'm so happy for him.
But that
His family is very close to me.
Absolutely.
So Hishan, God bless you. So rock it. This is just a beginning.
I think your Saima has just begun on the most beautiful note, right? Like a legendary personality like him blessing you and wishing you. How does this moment feel?
Seriously, it's like my pleasure and honor, Sai Kumar sir. Nenu all choose actually have grown up, when I was a kid. And today I'm standing here with Sai Kumar sir, and that's like, it's really a big, huge honor. And thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yeah. You always, nakevarana manchi well-wisher, and that's like Sai Kumar sir.
That's so sweet, sir. I think the moment I announced that you were going to come on Facebook, I think everybody must have gotten super excited. They're watching us live. What would you like to tell your fans, sir?
Yeah, you're our inspiration. ನೀವಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ మీరు లేరు అంటే మేము ఎక్కడ ఉంటాం நீங்க தான் எங்களுக்கு உயிர் so எல்லா லாங்குவேஜும் பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன் because I was born in Chennai, I was brought up in Chennai. I'm a great fan of Shivaji sir. At the same time, admirer of Dr. Rajkumar avaru, NTR avaru, Nageswara avaru. And with all this, behind all this, my father's. This voice is my father's. And my mother was an actress, my father was an actor. My brothers are doing very good. My son is in the industry. Yes. So this is our life. But idukella neeve. Neengilla na avladhan mudinju pochu. But at the same time, we also love good films. So watch films in theaters, don't miss it. But we are all grateful to you for wishing us, blessing us, and being with us. South Indian cinema celebrating in Dubai, and we're so excited. And all the celebrities, all the nominees, we are all here together. But at the same time, meeting all our people from India in Dubai. So Dubai is hot. The girls are hot, and we are also very hot.
Absolutely. And sir, I know that you're always such a young personality at heart and you're always ready to have fun with youngsters. We just have a quick game here which is called Never Have I Ever. So you just have to pick a card and what is written in it, if you've done it, you just have to tell us you've done it. Otherwise you just have to say, no, I haven't done it. Simple.
7, 8,
Lucky number,
9.
sir?
9 is my lucky.
Oh, great. So, but you have to show us.
Fallen asleep while listening to your script. Never in my life. Never in my life. Because what happens is, that is our God. Script is our God. Normally, what happens, the writer, I even tell my son, when you are listening to a script, give your 100%, give your heart to it, give your mind to it. Because that writer, with so much of struggle, when Police Story was narrated to me, which still I am living after 25 years, with that character called Agni, that writer David made me to listen to that script in 3 hours, and still I remember his expressions, his emotions. So that character entered into my blood because of that writer David. So we should respect the script. Script is the heart of a film. And I personally request these youngsters also, what I tell to my son, I'm telling him also, script, don't neglect it. When you are listening, be there. and listen to it. Then it's your choice. If you like it, you do it. If not, you tell them, sir, I don't think I can do justice to this role or I can't do this script. But never, never. And I'm so happy that I got a wonderful one for me, which even have a message to the future generation. So script is important.
I think it's no surprise, right, that he is always on the top. It's because of this sort of a dedication. After all these years, even when you're such a big legend, you still have this sort of a dedication. Truly inspires all of us, sir. Thank you so much. And very quickly, I'm going to request you to pick a card as well. Yes.
Tripped someone on a purpose? No.
Tripped someone on purpose, sir. So you tell us, do you think he's done it? Ever tried to trip someone, make them fall?
Nijan cheppu.
My God, the look! I'm telling you, we've seen it in films, but watching it up close is like a whole new level. So after that,
No, seriously, no.
The best part is this one is very dangerous. If you tell lie, it will start now.
I've never done that.
such a good boy. Well, anyways, thank you so much. Congratulations on your nomination. Hope you win as well. And sir, we always love you. We're always rooting for you. Thank you so much for joining us, and all the very best to you as well.
Thank you. Love you.
Thank you.
Thank you.